Hi, this is Drew with Classic Auto Insurance here at the Goodguys Columbus Nationals, and we're here with Tom. Now, we just interviewed his son Anthony on his Camaro project, which is outstanding. But they kind of had a, would you call it a family project?
It was, yes, truly a family project. About 4 years ago, we were up here, and so many cars. We started to pick and choose what we were looking at, and found myself looking at the wagons more than anything else, and was saying, why is that? And so I had a heart check and said, we need to start looking for a wagon. That's what the interest was.
And, you know, obviously this is not an all-original car, but what are some of the most important things that, you know, the motor is impressive, the interior, but what was that one main thing that you had to have?
We wanted something that we could rely upon, something that we knew was going to get from A to B, and at the same time have the nostalgia and the old school look to it. So went with the technology that we felt was the best, Roadster shop chassis. The LT4, we were down at the PRI 2 years ago, and GM convinced us that that was the engine to go with. Did some research and felt as though that's what we wanted, something that we could count on. So all of the technology of today with a shell of yesterday put on top of it.
And how's it been received? I mean, obviously bringing it here, I mean, it's fantastic to me. You just don't see wagons.
Yeah, a lot of it's different. It's something different. People are always looking for something new or different to do. So yeah, a lot of attention that makes us feel good. That's for sure.
Well, we love unique stuff and appreciate what you're doing from the community. Keeping your family involved. I think it's awesome. We love to see multi-generations that are continuing to keep that on. So I appreciate your time.
It is good. Thanks.
Thanks, Tom.
Thanks.
Agreed value, mileage rollover, and tiered mileage plans. Classic Auto, insuring your vehicle, insuring your passion. Call or click Classic Auto today.